Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajax G here with another video. So today I have a $500 build for you guys. It's actually like 530 bucks, but depending on what part you buy or where you can catch them on sale, you can actually get this for 500 bucks. Okay, that's before the Windows activation. This is perfect for gaming. It's a perfect beginning build for anyone that's on a serious budget. Also, you can do some console streaming with this build. Alright, so hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. So let's start with the case. We have a Cooler Master Q300L on Amazon. This is right now 50 bucks. Okay, with shipping and tax it was $55. So this is the first part of the build. Let's get into the motherboard. So I was lucky enough to find this MSI H310 motherboard at Micro Center open box. This means someone opened it, didn't like it, and brought it back. Everything was still intact. Even the slot for the CPU, the little black latch that goes on it, was still attached to this motherboard. So make sure you look at your local Micro Center for open box stuff. Next, we got our CPU, which is a Core i3-9100F. Okay, so this is the 9th gen series. This needs a discrete graphic card. Right now, it is only $70. Okay, you can catch it on Newegg for $75, but I was able to get this from Micro Center for 70 bucks. Since we need a discrete graphics card, I got a GTX 1650. Okay, this is 4 gigabytes. GDDR6 VRAM. Okay, so this actually doesn't even need the 6-pin or 8-pin to power this. It's powered straight from the motherboard, so that's why I was able to get such a low power supply. And as you can see, I got a 430 watt power supply which ran for 45 bucks. Since the GPU doesn't need this, I bought this just in case anybody wants to upgrade their GPU. So this is everything. I got 2 blue LED fans and a 512 gigabyte SSD. Okay, so everything here came up to 530 bucks. All right, so let's show you what it looks like after. So these are the internals of it all installed into this case. I actually went with a single channel 16 gigabytes stick. This motherboard goes up to 32, so if anybody wanted to upgrade it, if they purchased it, all they would have to do is put $60 into it to get another 16 gigabyte stick. Now this motherboard, the highest clock speed is 2666. Okay, but you can overclock it just a little bit, so I overclocked a little bit to get a little more speed. But this is how it looks with everything in it. The GPU is so small and cute, honestly it's ridiculous. And this is how it looks without the fans on. I just wanted to give you guys, how the case looks without the plastic on it. This is a really nice case, so I'm going to turn it on and show you how it looks like powered on. This is how it looks. So this is how it looks with the blue. It looks really nice. Okay, I put 2 LED fans in the front, and this case actually came with 1 fan for the back. I would recommend adding 1 more fan at the top, or 2 fans. It's totally up to you, but this is the final product. Okay, so if you build it yourself, 530 bucks. Okay, actually, and then if you add your Windows key, which is another 100, or if you're able to install it without purchasing for 110, you can go ahead with that. But this is how it looks. So in total it would be about 600 and some change. If you wanted to build this yourself, this is what it looks like. And I'm going to show you just a little bit of benchmarks after this. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoy these PC builds that I do for you guys. I enjoy building them. And yeah. Alright, so here are the benchmarks. Thank you again, guys, for watching. We are on our way to 700 subscribers. I really appreciate the like and subscribe. If you have a build that you want me to build, let me know. There is a pink build coming soon. Alright? Alright. HXG out.